Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on our channel. Here's a video where we can bargain with Flipkart using the Google Assistant. Let's check how it works. Hey Google, let me speak to Flipkart.
Sure, here's Flipkart. Welcome. We can begin your journey to becoming the Big Billion Days Ka boss right after you repeat these words. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Repeat after me. I promise.
I promise
To make India.
to make India
Budget se mukt.
budget se mukt.
Great. You've made your promise, and here's mine. Each day we give you 2 products. You have to set the lowest price on any one of them. If you succeed, India pays that price during Flipkart Big Billion Days. Would you like to watch the demo or become the Big Billion Days Ka boss?
Become the boss.
Here we go. Pick one of the 2 products of the day. An Honor 9N. Or a men's fossil watch.
Honor 9N.
Smart choice. The MRP is $13,999 for this phone. How much do you think India should get this for?
10,000.
I've been on many phones, but this phone might be the smartest. I think $13,599 is a good price. Deal?
No.
Excuse me? I'm here to make you the boss. Tell me an offer you like.
How about 10,500?
You're on the boss path. Let's do $12,999?
No.
No problem. We can work it out. What's your counter offer?
11,000.
Okay, if you can answer a simple question, I'll make you a solid offer. Ready?
Yes.
You can have a bath inside your washing machine. True or false?
False.
Nicely done. Here's a great deal of $11,999. Do you accept?
No, trying to go lower.
You've got a boss attitude. Make me a better deal than $11,999.
11,500.
You really care about India being budget mooked, don't you? How about 11,819?
No.
No problem. We can work it out. What's your counter offer?
11,600.
Picture this. This phone has as many features as Flipkart has deals. Let's do 11,639 instead?
Yes.
Great job. With your final price of 11,639, I'm sure India is on its way to being budget se mukt. Please share your phone number associated with your Flipkart account so we can register your score. If no one manages to beat it by tonight, you might be the Big Billion Days Ka boss.
That's great.
Please share a valid 10-digit phone number associated with your Flipkart account.
I'll get back to you.
This is your last attempt. Please share a valid 10-digit phone number associated with your Flipkart account.
Well guys, as you see, I have bargained the mobile worth 14,000 to a price of 11,639, which is really impressive, and good job done by Flipkart by making us bargain the products whichever we like. That's great. So that's it guys. I would request you guys to have the bargaining done from your end and let me know the best rate which you have got for this mobile. Thank you.